Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cosmic Path Tarot, and today's video is going to be a beautiful one. These cards that I've just pulled out are going to tell you who you were, who you are, and who you're becoming. Let the spirits guide us and show us what exactly are the messages the cards have for us today. Okay, so I was not expecting this particular combination today, but here we are. And I shuffled with one simple intention: who you were, who you are, and who you are becoming. And what came out is honestly one of the most layered three card stories I've pulled in a while. Let me just walk you through it because I think you are going to recognize yourself in this almost immediately. Comment, show me below right now if you are ready to see the whole arc, not just where you are stuck right now. Now, before I flip these cards, I want to acknowledge something about identity that nobody really prepares you for. You are not the same person you were 5 years ago. Probably not even the same person you were 1 year ago. And most of that change did not happen through some single dramatic moment. It happened slowly, through accumulated experiences, through things you survived, through realizations that arrived quietly rather than all at once. And somewhere in that slow evolution, there is usually a period where you feel caught between versions of yourself, not fully who you used to be, because that version did not fit anymore, but not fully who you are becoming either, because that version is not finished forming yet. That in between space is genuinely uncomfortable, and it can feel like you do not quite know who you are right now, even while everyone around you assumes you do. These three cards are going to map that exact arc for you. Where you are, where you started, where you are currently standing, and where is all of this leading. The Ten of Pentacles. Now, this card is about legacy, structure, family, and established systems. The image shows multiple generations together with an archway, surrounded by wealth and stability that was built over time, often inherited rather than self created in the moment. As the card representing who you were, this tells me something specific about your foundation. You came from or built early on a life with real structure, expectations that were clear, a sense of security on the surface that looked complete. And maybe this was literal family structure. Maybe it was a career path, a relationship, a community, a version of stability that the other people could look at and recognize as solid and established. But here is the layer underneath the surface security that the Ten of Pentacles often hides. That structure, however solid, was not always entirely yours. It was built within a system, a family system, a social expectation, or an inherited blueprint for what a good life was supposed to look like. And you lived inside that structure, I'd say rather successfully, often appearing from the outside, while some quieter part of you may have wondered or wondered where the life you were living was actually chosen or simply inherited by someone else. Who you were existed within something solid, but solid is not always the same as self determined. The Nine of Wands reversed. And this is exactly where the story gets real. The Nine of Wands upright already shows someone who has been through battles, standing guard, bandaged, but still holding the line. Reversed, that vigilance tips into genuine exhaustion. Someone who has been defending something, I'd say a structure, an identity, a way of life, possibly the very Ten of Pentacles foundation we just talked about, for so long that they are running on fumes. This is who you are right now. Tired, guarded, possibly questioning whether the structure you spent so long maintaining and defending was ever fully worth the energy it has cost you. The Nine of Wands reverse describes someone who cannot quite tell anymore whether they are protecting something valuable or simply protecting something familiar out of habit and fear of what happens if they stop. And I want to name something important here. This exhaustion is not weakness. It is a natural result of carrying a structure, that is, the Ten of Pentacles version of your life, for longer than the current self actually needed it. You have been defending the walls that were built by an earlier version of you for reasons that made sense then but may not fully apply anymore. Who you are right now is depleted, and that depletion is information, not failure. It is telling you something that you need to change. Now, look at these two cards together. The inherited structure of the Ten of Pentacles and the exhaustion of defending it shows in the Nine of Wands reversed. You built on or inherited something solid, and you have been guarding it for so long that you forgot to ask whether it still fits who you are becoming. And the third card here is going to show you what happens when you finally put the sword down. The Eight of Pentacles. And this is one of the most genuinely hopeful cards for this kind of reading. The Eight of Pentacles shows a craftsman, alone, focused entirely on his work, carefully carving pentacle after pentacle with quiet dedication. And this is not the inherited wealth of the Ten of Pentacles. This is wealth and mastery being built deliberately, one disciplined effort at a time. But someone working purely for the satisfaction of getting better at something that matters to them personally. Now, this is who you are becoming. Not someone defending an old structure out of exhaustion, but someone patiently holding and patiently building a new kind of foundation. One constructed through your own focused effort rather than the inherited expectation. The Eight of Pentacles is solitary work. It does not require an audience or approval. It simply requires your own consistent attention applied over time towards something you are choosing for yourself. Now, this transition is significant. You are moving from a life built within someone else's blueprint and through a season of exhausted defense of that blueprint towards now a future where you are the one laying each stone deliberately on your very own terms, mastering your own craft rather than maintaining someone else's legacy. It will not happen instantly. And the Eight of Pentacles is patient. It is steadily working, not running or not pacing through something. And it is not even a dramatic transformation overnight, but it is real and it is already beginning for you. So here is the full arc for you. Now, you were someone who lived inside a solid established structure, secure, but not always fully self chosen. You became someone exhausted from defending that structure, questioning whether it was ever truly yours to protect so fiercely. And you are becoming someone who builds again, deliberately, patiently, through your own focused craft rather than inherited expectations. The Ten of Pentacles into the Nine of Wands and finally into the Eight of Pentacles is inherited structure, exhausted defense, and finally deliberately rebuilding. If I can name each of these cards, this one would be the inherited structure that you got. This is the exhausted defense, and this is the deliberate rebuilding. You are not losing the foundation you once had. You are transforming how the foundation gets built from something given to you into something you are constructing with your own hands. Comment below and tell me which card hit hardest: the 10 of Pentacles, the 9 of Wands reversed, the 8 of Pentacles. I read every single one. If someone in your life is in that exhausted middle stage right now, share this with them. Sometimes knowing that there is a craftsman version of yourself waiting on the other side makes the tired part easier to carry. Follow Cosmic Path Tarot for readings every week. You are not losing yourself, you are rebuilding yourself. There is a profound difference between the two. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.